is Taylor, and this is my sister,
Bailey.
And today we're going to do a workout, a fun workout that Bailey brought to my attention that I had no idea that existed. But it's kind of like a game, kind of like a workout, and that is what's so fun about it. So do you want to explain what it is?
Yeah.
How we do it?
So I got the idea from Carrie Underwood, actually. It's in her book, and she calls it Fit 52. And basically you just take a deck of cards, split the deck in half, and you come up with a workout for each suit. So you have a workout for hearts, diamonds, spades, and clubs, and for 2 sets because you split it in half. And then anytime you flip that card over, whatever that suit is, you do that many reps of that workout.
So like if you get an 8 of hearts, you do 8 reps for whatever workout is assigned to your hearts suit.
Correct.
Yeah.
So we came up with our own workouts for each suit.
So for the first set for our heart suit, we're gonna do squat twists. And then we're gonna do push-ups for diamonds, because we both suck at push-ups and really need to get better at them. And then for clubs, we're gonna do a upper body crunch and then a reverse crunch. So it's kind of like a combo movement. And then for spades, we're gonna do a curtsy lunge. So one on each side. Oh, our cards! All right.
Well, we're off to a great start.
There we go. So then we're gonna do curtsy lunges. One curtsy lunge on each side makes 1 rep.
And then the second set we're gonna do for our hearts, we'll do plank rows with weights. The diamonds, we're gonna do a single leg deadlift. So you have to do 1 equals 1 rep. The clubs, we're gonna do a side leg raise, and spades, we'll do ball slams.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, sweet. Oh, and the first set is going to be all body weight, and then the second set,
we're incorporating weights.
Yes, exactly. All right.
For reference, face cards are 10 reps and aces are 12 reps.
And that was an hour workout on the dot. Definitely challenging. Yeah, we were talking about this earlier. I don't think it's a workout to do every day just because it's not really consistent. Definitely super fun to do with a partner.
Yeah. I've done it alone, and doing it with a partner is more motivating and it's fun.
Yeah, totally. And I think it's a really good workout too if you're just starting to work out and you need something that's more of like a game that seems fun. So try it out and let us know what exercises you guys did. Have a great week. Mwah!